Hello, my name is NIDHISHA. First semester, branch is aeronautical. Name of the product is germ detector. Our startup company name is Smartness. This is the logo of the company. Feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling of the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity is that to detect the germs in the food, to show the qualities of the minerals and nutrients in the food or drinks, cost should be less, and there should be a portable device, and define an ideal stage based on the empathizing state and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features to be added are they should be eco-friendly materials, smartphone integration, and multiple food types and voice assistance. Futuristic product name is Primordium Echinacea. So in this prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advises us to draw sketch. The sketch is given below. This is a prototype of the model. There are many strips uh, uh, by which we can test the food. There is a digital display which shows the readings of the nutrients, and there are buttons. So this is the working model. As actual working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as a positive comments received from this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy this testing stage. Thank you.